guys, welcome back. So today I am replacing the wing on the F56. Reason being is I got a carbon fiber one. This one's been showing some wear, so this is really the perfect time. So let me show you. Paint wearing through over, hang on. Focus, maybe? This here? Nope. It said no. Okay. There we go. Maybe you can see that right here. Okay, so it's wearing the paint through here, and it has a little chip on the end of the wing, things like that, just showing wear and tear. So I'm super excited to replace it with this full carbon fiber one. Looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay, this should be fairly quick, so let's go. Okay, this is the new one. Again, full carbon fiber. Looks freaking sick. New end plates. I mean, come on. Come on. Okay, let's get to it.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know.
Okay, so I took out the bolts on top of the wing and then exposed these ones on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and take these ones out, and then I already took the ones inside the hatch out. And this is too big, so it's not going to work.
Yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out, yeah.
Okay, so the old wing is out with the spoiler, and then we're gonna need to drill the carbon fiber wing so that it stays still, because that's why we ended up drilling this one. With downforce being added, it started lifting the wing, so it needed more reinforcement. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the carbon fiber one as well. So yeah, we'll work on taking this one off, and then next time we see you, we should be putting on the carbon fiber one. So we are going to be ceramic coating the wing before we reinstall it back onto the spoiler there, just to help give the clear coat longevity before yellowing.
Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
So I just had to re-drill some of my holes, unfortunately. They were a hair off between my old wing and this one, like literally a hair, maybe 1/4 of an inch. So we just widened some of those holes over, so we can screw this in. Okay, this is the wing all together. I am obsessed. Look at that. Kitty! What's up?
She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same. I lay alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away?
Okay, it's holding. That's good.
Give you all of my love till we dance the night away, and we give you all my love, all my love, all my love.
Okay, this is it. All installed. I am obsessed. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Obviously it looks the same as before, but like carbon fiber. So like, wow. Okay. I love it. So eventually we will be adding the little support ones because with the downforce from the wing, it likes to pull this up a little bit. So we will add those in for extra strength, but that is a wrap for this video. I am so hyped. I absolutely love the carbon fiber. It looks great. Super excited. It's even lighter. And yeah, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Peace out, and I will see you in the next one.